Hi, my name is Fabiola. I love photography. That's my main passion. Photography is a way that I could help people gain knowledge of another community. My project is about exploring different religious backgrounds and the idea of coexisting between different religions. My mom is a very religious person. She's a Christian and she's kind of closed-minded, and I'm the complete opposite. So this is the reason why I want to explore different ideas and beliefs.
This is amazing!
I chose 3 girls that I know on a personal level, and all of them have different experiences in religion.
Look at the camera.
Sandra goes to my school and we have a lot of conversations about religion. She's also Christian.
I have to wait for the wave. You're praying, you just like...
Regina practices Catholicism.
Both of my parents are Roman Catholic, but I've always been more aligned with my indigenous self and my indigenous identity. My prayer involves doing something called the 4 directions and giving tribute to the sky and the earth. It's a way of saying thank you for giving me life.
And Mayan is Jewish.
I felt like I had to balance my religion and my identity because I grew up secular Jewish. My family was always more connected to the social justice aspects and the culture. And so because of that, I feel like I have a duty to help the world.
Whenever I come here, it's like de-stress.
I decided to shoot at the beach because I feel like the beach has a lot of symbolism, like with the water and baptism, or the rocks, and religion has always been something to stabilize yourself and anchor yourself. And I thought wearing white dresses was a good representation of being pure, staying pure and purity.
I really liked you guys' comments about, for you, religion is like being one with nature.
I also asked them to bring different objects that represented their own religion.
Sandra, close your eyes.
Part of this process was trying to find myself and what I believe in and what I want to follow. I can't say that I've decided fully, but it was interesting to learn what they believe in.
Let me see your hand.
I think art could be used to grow as a person and explore new ideas, new beliefs, new communities, and challenge stereotypes.